Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with 1 to 24 in numbers. First of all children, first this is black color 1. 1. This is red color 2. 2. This is green color 3. 'This is brown color 4. 'This is orange color 5. 'This is yellow color 6. 'This is dark green color 7. 'This is pink color 8. 'This is purple color 9. 'This is blue color 10. 'This is orange color 11. 'This is brown color 12. 'This is red color 13. 'This is pink color 14. 'This is blue color 15. 'This is purple color 16. 'This is green color 17. 'This is yellow color 18. 'This is green color 19. 'This is black color 20. 'This is brown color 21. 'This is red color 22. 'This is pink color 23. 'This is black color 24. And last one is blue color 25. Okay children, bye.